Have you ever found yourself struggling to replace text in a Word document, wishing there was an easier way? You're not alone. Today, we're exploring alternate methods to find and replace text in your Word documents using C#. I totally get it. The traditional find and replace method can be limiting, especially when dealing with complex documents that include images, tables, and special formatting. It can feel like a hassle, right? Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked about alternate ways to search through a Word document for certain text and replace it with something else. They mentioned that their current method was cumbersome and didn't preserve formatting. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what are the challenges here? When you manually search through paragraphs, you risk losing formatting, especially with images and tables. This can make your document look unprofessional. Let's explore a more efficient way to handle this. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a powerful method to find and replace text without losing any formatting, and I promise it will save you time. To begin with, the user should ensure they have the Microsoft Office Interop library installed. This library allows for interaction with Word documents through C#. Next, the user can modify their existing code to enhance the find and replace functionality. This involves ensuring that the method can handle various formatting options. Now, the user should implement error handling to manage any issues that may arise during the document processing. This will make the application more robust. Finally, the user can test the application by running it with different Word documents. This will help verify that the find and replace functionality works as intended. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Microsoft Word was released in 1983? It has come a long way since then, and now you can automate tasks like find and replace with just a few lines of code. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by a user involves using the Microsoft Office Interop library to find and replace text in a Word document. They create a Word application instance, open the document, and then iterate through the document's story ranges to perform multiple find and replace operations. This method allows for replacing specific placeholders with dynamic content, such as today's date. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. According to another user, there isn't a true alternative to the find and replace method. The process involves scanning the document, extracting text, and replacing it if there's a match. However, they mention variations, such as searching only within text boxes or tables. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative method for finding and replacing text in Word documents is to use groupdocs.redaction for .NET. This approach allows you to load a document, specify the text to redact, and replace it with a new phrase. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative method for finding and replacing text in a Word document involves using a modified find and replace function. This user suggests setting match case to true and using wd-find-continue for wrapping. They also provide a print function that opens a document, iterates through words, and changes font color based on specific conditions before performing the find and replace operation. Here's a pro tip. Always back up your documents before running any automated scripts. This way, you can avoid any accidental data loss. Trust me, it's worth it. And there you have it. You've learned an alternate way to find and replace text in Word documents using C#. Now you can save time and keep your formatting intact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.